Hi everyone. Today, I'll show you how to quickly remove or reset your local Windows account or Microsoft account password without editing the registry, without the command prompt, and without any programming skills. I'll do this using one of the best programs, PassFab for Winky, and all my personal files on my computer will be saved. Okay, now you need to shut down your locked computer and run PassFab for Winky on another computer or laptop. To do this, open the video description and follow the link to the official PassFab for Winky download page. To get started, you can download a trial version of the application and install it on your computer. Select the Start option, and wait for the ISO file to finish downloading. Then you can choose to burn the bootable disk using USB or DVD. I inserted a blank 14 GB USB stick here. Start burning. Wait for the boot disk to finish burning, usually it takes a few minutes. The bootable USB flash drive is now created, and since I downloaded and installed the free version of PassFab for Winky, the program offers 3 options. You can continue using PassFab for Winky for trial purposes. You can purchase the app by following this link, but before you do, please watch the final part of the video, which provides an overview of the various features of the app and will help you choose the plan that is right for you. I already have a license key, and I'll simply enter it here to register. My registration was successful, and now we can see that I've selected the Ultimatum plan, which allows me to easily reset the PIN or password for any Microsoft account. Keep watching the video to learn how to do all of this. Connect the bootable drive to the locked computer and turn it on. Immediately after the reboot begins, press a certain key on the keyboard to open the boot menu. I pressed the F12 key, for you it could be EB, F8, F9, F11, F12, or some other key. There is no single standard and different computers may have different keys to call the boot menu. The boot menu opens. Your boot menu interface may differ from mine. Select a bootable USB drive to boot from, press Enter. Press Enter. Wait for PassFab for Winky to finish loading. In the window that opens, you can select your Windows system. Click Next. Then scroll down and select the administrator account from the list of accounts. Here you can select Remove Account Password, Remove Windows Account, Reset Password, or create a new account, as well as enter a one-time password to bypass a forgotten password. I choose Remove Password. Next. That's it, quick and easy. Click Reboot to log into Windows. Once your computer boots, you will notice that the password field has disappeared. Click the Login button to open the Windows desktop. Okay, my computer is unlocked, and all my personal data remains intact. For a Microsoft account, the process is a little different. In the window that opens, you can select your Windows system. Click Next. Scroll down a little. Select your account. It may appear as your email address. I click Remove Password, and PassFab for Winky immediately indicates that it's impossible to remove my Microsoft account password because the Microsoft account password information is stored on the Microsoft website and constantly syncs with my computer. I click Reset Password, and the window that opens asks me to enter a new password. Click Reboot to log into Windows. The lock screen opens. We've created a new password, so I need to select the option to enter the password. I check my input and log back into the desktop. As you can see, the entire process was quick and easy, and all my personal data remains intact. Now I'll go to the manufacturer's website and tell you more about the features of PassFab software. In addition to Windows, PassFab 4 Winky works great on Mac OS devices and Android devices. In this section, you'll find a lot of interesting and useful information for various Windows situations where urgent assistance is needed. In the next section, you'll find emergency help for Apple mobile devices, as well as Android. This section is designed for those who want to solve password problems for various document and spreadsheet programs. Finally, the technical support section is where you'll always get answers and help with any questions you have about PassFab products. You can download and install PassFab 4 Winky on your computer completely free of charge to familiarize yourself with how it works. After that, you can purchase PassFab 4 Winky, but first, please review the pricing plans and any discounts available today. And yes, you can receive a discount today when you purchase PassFab 4 Winky. Here you can review the pricing plans and choose the one that best suits your needs. The professional plan only allows you to reset passwords for a local account, making it the cheapest option. If you want to unlock all features, choose the ultimate plan. It also works with Microsoft accounts, which is what I used in the video. Scroll down a bit, and you'll find answers to the most common questions you might have before purchasing PassFab 4 Winky. You can also contact technical support, who will respond quickly. And most importantly, PassFab is developed by true professionals you can trust. If you found this tutorial helpful, please like and subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next video. Have a great day.